Hello, happy Sunday everybody, and welcome to a lovely session here with Daisy Learns. And today we're going to share this lovely book we found in the library. Oh, sorry, not in the library this time, but in the local charity shop. So very grateful indeed to find this amazing book, and we have a few more to share later on. So in this video we will learn to read The Fire Engine by Peppa Pig. Mummy Pig is going to fire engine practice. Good excuse for a chat, says Daddy Pig. I have a very important meeting and a barbecue with the Daddy's football team. Mummy Pig, Peppa, and George arrive at Miss Rabbit's fire station. Wow, gasps Peppa, seeing the big red fire engine. Fire engine, giggles George. Daddy Pig and his friends are playing football and having a barbecue in the garden. Oh dear! The barbecue has turned into a fire. Daddy Pig rings the fire station. Ring, ring. The fire phone is ringing. Hello, Daddy Pig, answers Miss Rabbit. This phone is only for when there's a fire, shouts Daddy Pig. We'll be right there, replies Miss Rabbit. Mummies to the rescue, cries Miss Rabbit, sliding down the fire pole. Hold tight, cries Mummy Pig. Whee, laughs Peppa. The fire engine is ready to go. Peppa, George, and the mummies soon find the barbecue and get their water hose out. Stand back, daddies, cries Miss Rabbit. The water comes spurting out the hose. Hiss! Hooray! Cheer all the daddies when the fire is out. Thank you for saving us, says Daddy Pig. No problem, cries Miss Rabbit. It's all part of the service. Now that Miss Rabbit has flooded the garden, says Daddy Pig, we can jump up and down in muddy puddles. I love fire engines, says Peppa, especially when they make muddy puddles. The end. Oh, wasn't that lovely, guys? Fantastic story. Hope you liked it. And if you'd like to watch more of our lovely videos, just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Oh, if it's for children, I don't think there is, but don't worry. We're always uploading videos, and you can always check our playlists as well. We got a whole bunch of videos under the Peppa Pig playlist. So until next time, see you soon. Have a lovely Sunday. God bless, and bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.